let's check out apartment 216. 2-bedroom plus den on the second floor. Located in the interior corner. As we walk in, to our left is the spacious kitchen with lots of cabinetry and lots of counter space. Here there's 2 sinks, one with disposal. Bar lighting and lighting under the cabinet. Next to the kitchen you have your full laundry room with additional shelves. And to the right of the entry is a den space, which is the size of another bedroom. Great workspace with another large closet. Then you have a bar top here, you can put a lot of stools. And there's a dining space. Just across from the kitchen is a large pantry. Large living room, a big picture window. This home is east facing, gets great morning light. Master here on the right side. Bedroom is 11 by 11 square feet. It can fit a California king, 2 nightstands, and a large dresser. With a nice walk-in closet. Private bathroom here. It's got a linen closet right when you walk in. There's me, I'm Scott, your leasing agent. Lots of counter space here in the master bath. Lots of drawers as well. Comes with a shower rod installed. And then across the living room is the second bedroom, which is just a few inches smaller than the master. So if this is a roommate situation, it's a really easy, even split for you guys. Facing our beautiful 8,000 square foot sky deck, and the garden's right out there. Nice quiet area to be placed. Both bedrooms have large walk-in closets. And 2 bath. Again, lots of storage space here in the second bathroom. And good amount of counter space as well. It's a very spacious home. Both have the tubs in here. That's the full apartment. It's definitely a resident favorite here. Such a great layout, so much space. You can really, really make a home in this apartment. Go ahead and give us a call for more information.